There's abundance of mango tree around here. Coconut, as you saw this afternoon, we went to pick the coconuts ourselves, pick them up, scoop them out in the blender, add your milk cream and your sugar. The coconut base, so is the fresh coconut, the stock syrup, the cream and milk. 60. Turn on the refrigerator, and that's it. And then there you go, you've got your ice cream there. So we have the mango ice cream with a fresh mango coulis, and then we have the coconut, rum and raisin ice cream garnished with the rum-soaked raisins and the coconut ice. Rum is available from the shop all year round. Right, so we got the rum in the raisins in the rum, so we got everything locally. Everything's local.